We out here in M6 and we're gonna start naming heroes. And they'll name the players. This is first pick. Hilda,
Ako,
Edith,
Kirk,
Beatrix,
Innocent,
Farsa,
Super Prince,
Valentina,
Stormy,
Suyo,
King Kong,
Ling,
Sutsujin,
Hayabusa,
Sikis,
Alpha,
Chikis,
Cho,
Yums,
Ruby,
ako,
Kari,
Nets,
Roger,
Innocent,
Hylos,
ako,
Terizla,
Flap,
Glue,
Aran,
Fredrin,
Mobazane,
Eve,
Prince,
Minotaur,
Yums,
Tigreal,
Yums,
Johed,
Idok,
Selena,
Super Prince,
Harik,
Kelra,
Lapu-Lapu,
Flap,
Uranus,
ako.